So we look for a buy opportunity and enter this pair. 36 is not bad for a buy. The worst case is let price return here at the 2 hours body candle close. So anywhere from 36, and the market can upswing again. Now, when price comes here, it will respect here. There's a strong price action at this area at 46, 45, 47. But ultimate sell of this pair, based on my strategy of gauging the market using each trend angle as an ultimate indicator and also a litmus test. The the structure I see here is saying that you're going to have a sell at this roof. So it is what it is. It is what it is. So that's what the structure is saying. So even if now that the market is trying to correct by close of 2 hours, but there's already a breakout from a long time M structure. The head of the M structure has been broken. That M structure gave us a significant sell down. So it feels good to see uh, if entry at 35 most likely lose to pull this market. Maybe it might not be today. And AUD USD started on a bullish footnote. So Australia is dependent on heavy metals. So on probability, it makes sense to see that we also have a double confluence at this area where we have M-like structures, M-like structures, or their neckline. Look at it at this level. And there is a retest, which ultimately dropped price. So this is a double top. And price came here to retest it because this is the neckline. After updating first neckline, second neckline, price came here to retest. So on technical, I strongly hold the opinion that SAU might, based on the structure, might likely tap into this zone. They tap into 68, 66. So this will be your first entry, and this is a risky sell. So let me also specify it. Risky sell zone. And the good sell zone will be less as we march into New York session in a few hours from now. Should be at 2668. 2668 into 2670. So this is what I see. This is what I see. And this is what the structure is saying. If we look critically, we'll see that price has breached the actually market is zone by zone and layer by layer. And you see the green bar we have here as a supply roof. And price came here respect the supply roof, break of a supply roof, retest, retest, retest. And here you have a break of structure of the supply roof by this candle by 700. So price will come down here to retest this broken supply roof. So a broken supply roof becomes a demand floor for optic. So we know the market will sell, but I think it needs to tap higher. And on the second note again, Y44, Y44, 47 looks promising. Is that at that level we have a retest here. There's a breakout from the structure, a breakout on a retest. So most likely price might be retesting that structure. With a breakout from the structure, we ultimately pull price to where you have your first stop, which is where you have the sales M structure, two M structures. and this is the retest, final retest. So most likely price will come here again on another retest within this zone 71. So the there is a breakout from the head of the M structure. This is the most important thing we have to. And price confirmed when price return respected the head but broke the structure. So even if price pull back, it might pull back to return to 31 to give those who miss the opportunity of entering to enter the market so that the market can actually pull back and maybe get to 46, respect it or continue going. Look at what price has done, one bearish candle. So it won't be bad as market has breached this bearish candle zone to print a similar structure or even 50% of the structure. So it's also possible. So let's say you on a bullish foot, look at after the break of structure from here. So after a break of structure from this level, we have here a demand floor, break of a demand floor, retest, break of a supply roof, price returns, retest, break of a demand floor, retest one, retest two, break of a supply roof, retest, a broken supply roof becomes a demand floor, price move up. And this price action, why is this price action very important? Let me let me remind you again. This price action is important because a breakout from an uptrend structure after price creates a demand floor here, created another demand floor. We join it to get an ascending trend line. And we had a structure breakout and price came retest. And then we clone this structure and bring it to the floor. Exactly is the total distance of the travel. So most likely that market will want to complete this distance of travel. And to complete this distance of travel will be at this level. And market sell from previous sell structure and buy from the previous buy structure. So if this market want to sell, the real beginning of this massive drop started from here. After break of structure, you have here demand flow, break of the demand flow, retest. So price will come here to retest in the zone of 2,700 and from there begin to sell. So you see the structure will now look clean. So and at that level, if you watch critically again, you will find out that it might even it might want to extend beyond that beyond the 670 and come to this roof, which is yes, just we are still right. So at 70, it might extend up to the roof, which is 72. So 72 is not capping at all. So 72 might be a high probability extension zone where buyers may want to play. But the most important thing is to see that the market does not close above the structure. The truth is that it close above the structure will open a new wave of buy. And the new wave of buy will look like this. If the structure close above this, then it will start printing higher, hoping to then the new wave will be at the same trend angle where we have already closed. So at the same trend angle now, then you begin to see trade in the zone of 2684. And if that fails, then you see price moving into is another zone. So at this level now, you see 2,700 mark established. So it's not going to be quick. We have a long-term retest at this level. So technically, price is still playing within this is a retest trend line. This is a very vital retest trend line, and price has been respecting it. So it came from down. This is a breakout from a weekly ascending trend line, and this is the roof. So price is respecting this structure. It's respecting these two structure, and these two structure must not be violated.